Hello and welcome back. Yeah, so in our last class, we talked about reports, list view, and reports, right? Yeah. So we also um, looked at some examples. We created some reports, right? So today is just like a continuation of that class. It's going to be quite brief. It's not going to be a very long session. Okay, just to round it up. Okay, so I think there are some things I'm not sure I mentioned in the last class. So okay, let me see if I can get this guy. Okay, is it better like this? I hope it's better this way. Well, it's really big on my head here. Yeah, let me leave it like this. Let me just leave it like this. Yeah. Okay, now so let me go back to the back end and let's look at yeah. So this was the report we worked on, right? Well, we talked about the tabular reports which we have on the screen right now. We talked about the summary report that is when it's being uh, by one filter or it's being grouped on one side that is both sides, right? Okay. That's just one filter, if you understand what I'm saying. So we said that's summary report. Then we said there are two grouping is matrix report and the last one is sequence report, that is report sitting side by side. Okay. So what I feel I didn't mention in the last class, you can actually export the report out. I don't know if you talk about it, but let's just go over it again. Yeah. So I'm gonna go back. Then this is very, very big. Okay, so I'm gonna use this guy. Come here and click on exports, right? And see how that works. Okay, I think we talked about this. Talk to this here. So where you can put it formatted report in details and can play around this and see how it's actually works. Formatted reports, come with the proper format and heading and everything, header, right? But the details only just extract the data you need and just paste it. We're going to see how that turns out. So let's click on formatted report. We have any on this one, the detail can give us different format. I think the Excel format as yes. Remember, CSV said I want to do that. CSV is format separated value, right? That's a kind of data format also. Alright, yeah. So the next thing here is let me just try this method for Excel, then click on export, right? As if I'm gonna say I'll come this. I'm gonna open it now like Excel sheet. Look at it, right? Come out with a proper header. Account 5,000, blah, 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 created by this, filtered, blah, blah, blah. This is a detailed report from Salesforce, right? So, but if I say I want to export using details on, let's see how that comes, how that structure comes. Okay. I leave this as this. I just play around, export as CSV and see what it looks like. But those are my previous to know what it actually looks like. So, it's not master and sensation level. Yes. Okay. It's not bringing out the data exactly. Very good. Okay, so it's actually giving me that spot. It's not coming out. But let me see. Maybe I don't get anything. Let me try that again. Right? Export. Details only. This. I don't know whether that's actually. Let me use export. Not giving me, it's just giving me the header. Like I mean the title. It's not giving me the details. We have details in our report actually. We do have some details in it. But anyways, what I really want to show you from this is that you can actually export a report out, right? So and I can do that in just this format that I guess I'm just getting something about that. Uh, about that other details only reports. Okay. So having said that, another thing I want to also mention is that you can actually schedule reports. Yeah. Schedule report is what I mentioned the last time. So you can actually schedule reports. Scheduling a report simply means getting the report to be exported at a particular time to that set of people as you give it permission to. Okay, we're going to do one now. So probably you want to always send a report out to your manager, your line manager, or the marketing manager has to okay, I want to actually always see the report of the previous day my team has done. Okay, but all you just need to do is get the report and schedule it and always deliver at that particular time. You should have set it. So let's try out now how that works. Right. Then we last just come back to what should permit these guys to be able to schedule reports. That's part of those things you need to put. Let me try another one. Can you see this as schedule? I'm just going to click on subscribe. Can you see? Now you can create settings on whatever, however you want it to deliver. Daily, weekly, or monthly, right? So if I click on monthly, on the condition change daily, give me which day and which time, right? If I click on weekly, still the same. If I click on monthly, now it's giving me which week of the month, which day, and which time. Do you understand? So let's follow through the daily. So I want you to deliver this report every 11 a.m. Right? Attach file. Can you see asking me which format do I want the message to come in? Right? The report should come in. We're going to click on formatted reports. And we're going to click on save. Recipients see the same report as the person running the report. You can edit recipients. Whoever you want see report. Run report as okay. Am I the one running the report or we must be sent as another user? Okay, so I just set all of that there. I just subscribe and accept information to this report. Okay, so having done that, we click on save. Okay, so that automatically prompts the report starts coming at a particular time. But now because I set it to be me, I didn't mean it. Okay, let me show you this. So I didn't. Let me try to edit this recipe. I can change the user. I set it to someone else. Okay. Then I have to put the setting details, either user or this rule or none of that. So you get just put your username. Okay. So I may use this John Joy. We have mail attached to this John Joy. I'm not sure. Or let me just add subscribers. Me and Jojo, see this particular method. Haven't done that. I just need to do. I'm going to use this guy. I see me and Jojo. Now click on save. Voila. That's it. So Jojo will receive that video at 11 a.m. Like I okay. So if you want to set it to different kind of users, you can just do that based on the requirements. right? So having said that, let's just move to this topic where we're going to round up this particular topic and start with the new dashboard. So dashboard is the last stage. This view reports the dashboard, right? So dashboard is the last part. So here I say what is dashboard? Dashboard in Salesforce is a powerful tool that helps you visually understand your business data and make informed decisions. Dashboard allows you to visualize data, key metrics, change from one objective to Salesforce. Okay, now let's grammar one time. Let's communicate. For those that might have taken anything on data analytics or have a very strong idea of working with Excel, understand you have a glimpse of you understand what that means visual representation of your data. Okay, so the same thing comes here in Salesforce. Visual representation of your record, your data. Because at times you might not be able to start showing your upper line. Okay, this is the data for this report. This one is this, this one is this. But when you create a dashboard, everything can come as one. Can just easily see everything. Okay, this is this, right? One same page. That's just the dashboard. Now, unlike reports whereby you can only work with one object whenever you are setting up your report, dashboard can help you work with multiple objects. All you just need to do is secure your report and you put it in a visual okay. English is tough. Right. Make it come out. I think visually. Jesus Christ. Okay, I just visualize what it looks like. Okay. Alright. Oh, that's alright. Let's get back to this. Alright. Yeah, so basically that's what that is, right? So let's go into the whole table that looks like. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to form because my thing is good, that's why I can't reduce it. So sorry. Actually, it's too big. Think this better. Right? I hope this sounds like intent. This is it. Yeah, this is dashboard. So I'm going to click on dashboard. I'm going to click on new dashboard. Right. Coming up. And this so in the meantime, let me reduce it. Let me reduce it. Let's just say daily overview. Okay, let's just put it down here. Daily overview. Okay, these overviews. Daily reports. Okay, so I'm going to save it. Select code. I'm not moving for Bob because if I put it private, it will hold to subscribe, right? Because it's going to be private for us. So I'm going to say create a public. Okay, select and create. Okay. So now all this so this is where you basically build your dashboard. So now I'm going to show you something because now your type of reports will determine how you can format your dashboard. What I mean is this. Let's stop grammar. Let's drag. Okay, so I'm gonna chart of table. So these are my reports that I have created, right? So this is the one we worked on. The report we created, I'm not gonna 3,000 that we worked on in the last class, right? I'm gonna click on this guy, click on select. So using the add the charts. Okay. Oh, one reason or the other, I'm not use that. Let me use this car here, right? Yes. Okay. Now, this is not giving what I need. Earlier on I said the type of report determine the type of chart you can use to match your charge, right? Now, can you see that this is giving me access to use the type of bar, this one, this one, this one, this one. That's because this particular report must be a tabular report. So I'm going to check it. I'm going to confirm it's going to be a tabular report, right? If I say tabular summary report, right, it is grouped by one filter, right? That's just one grouping. But if it is a tabular report that says it has no grouping at all, you not have access to all of this, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Let's suppose we do this, and let's have complicated. Let me just use this particular one to start with. Add bam, it is there. Then you can now go ahead to probably adjust it however you want it to look. Just going to widen it. Okay, so I'm going to do that. But in the meantime, I'm going to click on save. I'm going to come. The ruling says the tabular report cannot be used. Okay, let me go back to that report and see. So that's that. So before I go ahead to add the next widget, I'm going to just try to change what the report looks like. That has been saved. I'm going to come back here and try to do a little tweak on the reports, right? Removing that chart. I'm going to save it. Back to my dashboard. I'm still going to use that same chart, but then I just want to, I'm still going to use that same record or report for, but I'm just going to try to put this in different charts to see what it will look like, okay? Okay, so, let me see, what can I group it last? Okay. Okay, so, okay, so I want to see if I can group it by any other thing again. Let me group it by rating this time around. cancel this type. Okay, so I'm going to click on save. I will back here to my dashboard and try to create a license. I hope you get I get to this point, right? It's not giving me access. All these things are grayed out. I don't like this. So let me change this guy. Let me put another importance. Okay, so we have another report here. I just adjust it to however you want. So I'm gonna add another one. Okay, so I'm gonna make it look like this. Okay, let me say I want this to look like this. This, yeah, this, yes. Okay, so let's put this here. Bring this guy. Can just adjust, do it, arrange it however you want, just to beautify it to your taste. Okay, like this. Okay, so this make again. Okay, can you see this one even give us using a gauge, right? Just modify it or use whatever chat that suits your description the most, right? So that's just all you need to do. You add this, bring it beside it, and just add one more. Okay, so you can go ahead and see this as inside. There's no data. I'm gonna use car record. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on add. Guys here. Okay, so as it is now, you can also go ahead to customize what this whole page will look like. Okay, and just come here. Let's say I want to use dark mode. Let's say I want to keep it on this look. And you see, it's now looking beautiful. So if this has a dashboard is in 10,000, whoever is seeing this can easily say, okay, this account grant at 5,000, I can tell whatever this and can tell, okay, this carry repair report, okay, so this gray color, so this person, okay, for sample flow reports, okay, we have this, we have this. See, it's just, you can easily see through whatever is going on, right? So that's just what it is. I'm not sure if this is going to save because of, I know there are going to be some errors because of some information from our reports, okay? But that's why this is not saving true, but yeah, I hope you get the point, yeah? So basically, that's just all about uh, dashboard. Okay, is there any other thing I want to mention? Okay, now for some reason, can your dashboard change? Yes. Now, just like your reports, just like on your reports, your org, definitely activity is going on your org, right? Activity is going on your org. That is, data are coming in, your users are working with it. So those information will always make your reports change. That is, a report that is already being filtered as show me accounts for the last 3 months. You know, every day, those days will change because the last 3 months yesterday will not be the same for today, not be the same next month, right? So those data will change. So will be the data in the reports. And automatically, your dashboard is also going to change because only record coming in will change the reports, which will in turn change the dashboard. I don't know if that makes sense. I just want to mention that for clarity's sake. So that is the only condition for this dashboard to change or update itself, right? So that will be all. Let's see in the next class. And after the next class, you're going to be getting your assignment, your next assignment. And this time around, it's going to be a nice one. Okay. So that's that. See you next class.